Welcome to Lavanya's computer classes. In this class, I will explain in PPS operators in C language. In JNTUH, according to JNTUH CSC, our first year, first sem, we have PPS paper. So PPS means programming for problem solving. In this, we are concentrated only on C language. So now I will explain what are the operators in C language, categories of operators. So what is an operator? What are the categories of operators? In this video I will explain. So first we will go for what is an operator. So before going for operator, first we go for what is an expression. So what is an expression? So what is an expression means expression is the combination of operators and operands. So in the definition of expression we have using one word like operator. So what is expression means? Expression is the combination of operators and operands. So that is the expression. In general mathematics we are using equation. So equation is nothing but an expression. But in computer science we have used the word is expression. So what is an expression means? Expression is the combination of operators and operands. For example, a plus b. A plus b is an expression or a plus b is an equation. 2 plus 3 is an expression. So in these expressions, you have some a plus b. A, b are there. What are there in this a plus b means? A is there, b is there, plus is there. In 2 plus 3, 2, 3, plus. So a, b are alphabets, characters, literals. 2, 3 are the numbers. So a, b are called as operands. So in this expression, whatever the variables or whatever the letters, alphabets are there, those are known as operands. The symbol, in this example, plus is a symbol. The symbol is called as an operator. So in this a plus b is an expression, a, b are operands and plus is an operator. 2 plus 3, 2, 3 are the operands, plus is an operator. 2, 3 are the operands and plus is an operator. So that is called as an expression. So here 2, 3, a, b are called as operands. Plus is called as an operator. So that is the definition of an expression. So what is an operator means? Operator is a symbol. Here plus is a symbol. Operator is a special symbol. It is used for performing some task, some work. So operator is a special symbol. It is used for performing some task. In the previous example, 2 plus 3, plus is an operator. A plus b, plus is a symbol. It is used for performing some task. In the 2 plus 3, plus is a symbol. It is used for performing, adding the two numbers, addition. So after performing that completion of the work, 2 plus 3 gives the result is 5. So it is an operator. So operator is a special symbol. It is used for task. So till now we go for what is an expression and what is the definition of operator. Now we go for types of operators or categories of operators. Types of operators or categories of operators. We have totally 4 types of operators are there, or 4 categories of operators. Those are unary operator, binary operator, ternary operator. Third one is ternary operator. Fourth one is n-array operator. N-array. Unary, binary, ternary, n-array operators. These operators are called as categories of operators. So in this video we will just go for what is the definitions of these operators. So first one is unary operator, binary, ternary, n-array. So what is unary, binary, ternary, n-array means? Unary means 1, binary means 2, ternary means 3, n-array means more than 3, n means any number. So unary operator, unary means 1, binary 2, ternary 3, n-array means 4, n means any number, not only 4. Any number. So unary operator means any operator is working with only one operand is called as unary. Binary operator means any operator is working with two operands. is called as binary operator. So A plus B, here A, B operands, plus is an operator, already we know. So here plus is working on minimum two variables, two operands A, B. That's why it is called as binary operator. 2 plus 3, 2 and 3, minimum two numbers we require. Unary means 1 only, see minus 2. If we take only 2, 2 indicates it's a positive number. But whenever we put minus before the number, minus is an operator, 2 is one single operand. That's why it is called as unary operator. That means minus is a symbol, it is working with only one value. Binary means it is working with two values, two operands. Ternary. Ternary operator means it is working on 2, 3 operands. If any operator is working on 3 operands, that is called as ternary. If you want to work any operator with more than 3 operands, it is called as n-array. N means any number. Now we will explain clear explanation with example unary operator. I already said what is unary means. Unary means 1. Any operator is working with only one single variable is called as unary operator. For example 2. 2 normally it is called as positive number, 2 positive number. But if you are using minus 2, what we are understanding, minus 2 is a negative number. So before 2 if put one operator like minus symbol, one symbol, automatically the meaning totally changed. 2 positive number but minus 2 is a negative number. So that's why it is called as unary operator. Diagrammatic representation. So how many operands and how many operands we require means one operator, one operand. So minus 2 in the example minus 2, minus is an operator, 2 is an operand. So this is example for unary operator. That means in this minus is an operator is working with only one operand, that is 2. Now we go for binary operator. Already we know binary means 2. That means operator is working on minimum 2 variables, 2 operands. He is called as binary operator. Any operator is working on 2 operands. This is the diagrammatic representation. One operand, operator, operand. That means minimum 2 operands we require. 2 operands. Between 2 operands we are using one operator. That's why it is called as binary operator. Example, x into y. X and y both are operands. X, y both are operands. Into multiplication is an operator. It is a symbol, special symbol. What is the task for this means multiplication of the 2 values. That is called as binary operator. Now we go for ternary operator. So what is the ternary operator? Ternary means 3. Any operator is working on 3 operands is called as ternary operator. 3 operands working on any operator is working on 3 operands. In C language, question mark colon is called as ternary operator. Only one operator is there in C language, that is called as ternary operator. Those I will explain in the next video. Next one is n-array operator. N-array means n means any number other than 1, 2, 3. If you are taking any number of operands, that is called as n-array operator. So in this video I will explain what is an expression, what is an operator, what are the categories of operators. In the next video I will explain total operators like arithmetic operators, everything I will explain with example. Here expression means combination of operators and operands. A plus B is an example of expression. These are the categories of operators: unary, binary, ternary, n-array operators. Unary means 1, binary means 2, ternary means 3. Unary 1, binary 2. That means any operator is working on only single variable, that is called as unary operator. Binary operator, any operator is working on 2 operands like A plus B. Binary operator. a plus b x into y. Into is a binary operator because it is working on two variables x and y. Ternary, any operator is working on three operands. Ternary operator. In C language only one operator is there, conditional operator. Thank you for watching the operators in C language. So in this C language we have so many operators are there. Those are, first one is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. Second one is logical operators. Third one is relational operators. Fourth one is assignment operator. Assignment operator. Fifth one is bitwise operators. Bitwise operators. Sixth one is conditional operators. So these are the operators. First one is arithmetic operators, logical operators, relational operators, assignment operator, bitwise operators and conditional operators, and some special operators are also available. Special operators. So these are the operators available in C language. Already explained what is an operator. What is an operator means operator is a special symbol that is used for performing some task. So that is called as operator. So how many categories of operators are there means already explained. There are three categories of operators are there. One is unary, binary, ternary, and these are the some operators in C language. Now explain these are what are the operators in each and everything is explained with examples. First we'll go for arithmetic operator. So what is an arithmetic operator? So we know what is an arithmetic. Arithmetic means mathematical calculations. If we want to do any mathematical calculations, we need some operators. That operators are called as arithmetic operators. In C language, what are the arithmetic operators means? We have 5 arithmetic operators are there. Those are plus, add. First arithmetic operator is addition. Second one is subtraction. Third one is multiplication. Fourth one is division. And fifth one is modulus. In this, one more operator is there that is called as increment and decrement operator. These all operators are explained with examples. Now we'll go for arithmetic operators. So what are the arithmetic operators means? Arithmetic, if you want to do any arithmetic operations, we need some operator. That operators are called as arithmetic operators. Those are totally 5. One is the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo. So these are called as arithmetic operators. For these arithmetic operator, plus symbol, because already said operator is a symbol, special symbol. Plus is a symbol that is used for adding two numbers. Next one is subtraction, like general mathematics, minus. Minus symbol is used for subtracting two numbers. And star, asterisk. Asterisk symbol is used for multiplication of two numbers. Division, slash. Slash is used for dividing two numbers. And percentile symbol is used for modulo operator. These are the simple topics. These arithmetic operators all are binary operators. Binary means 2. 2 means if you want to use these operators, we need minimum 2 values. So for example, 2 plus 3. 2 and 3 are the arithmetic numbers. Plus is an arithmetic addition operator. So plus is used between two values. That's why it is called as binary operator. After performing these operators, it gives the answer like numerical values only. 2 plus 3, 5. Subtraction. 3 is one number. 2 is another number. Between these two, I am using one operator like subtraction. So 3 minus 2, it gives the answer is 0. So it is also called as a binary subtraction operator. Multiplication. 2 is one number, 3 is another number. Between these two I am using asterisk. So it is called as working like a multiplication operator. Division. 10/2. 10 by 2 answer is 5. So division symbol is slash. It is used between two numbers. That's what it is called as binary operator. 10 mod 2. Just remember, see like this. What is modulo operator? Means modulo operator is used for giving the remainder values. So whenever remainder means whenever the numerator 10 is divided with 2. So 2 5s are 10. Remainder is 0. Modulo operator is always used for giving the remainder values. So whatever the remainder values it displayed on the like this. For example, 10 mod 3. So what is the value of 10 mod 3 means? See again. 10 is divided with 3. 3 3s are 9. So what is the remainder value? Remainder value is 1. So answer of 10 mod 3 is 1. So these all are called as arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are 5. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo. These all 5 operators. What is those? Plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulo. These operators have some priority also. These are low priority and these are high priority operators. So in the up to here, what is arithmetic operators? That is finished. So these are the logical operators: AND operator, OR operator, NOT operator. Arithmetic operators are used between numbers, but logical operators are used between conditions. So in any conditions, if we want to use any operator, those operators are called as logical operator. Logical operator is also a binary operator. Binary means 2. That means if we want to use any these 3 logical operators, we need minimum 2 conditions. So that's why logical operator is called as a binary operator. So now explain what is how these logical operators are performed. First I will go for AND operator. What is an AND operator? Means first AND operator is a binary operator. That means it is used between 2 conditions. Remember, it is used between 2 conditions. And if any time AND operator is used between any 2 conditions, the 2 conditions must be true. The 2 conditions must be true, then only the result will be true. If the two conditions are true, then only the total result is true. The total result is true. If any one condition is false, the total result is false. Remember it. What is AND operator means? AND is a logical operator in C language. It is a binary operator. Binary operator means it used between 2 conditions. Anytime if you are using AND operator between 2 conditions, all 2 conditions must be true. If any one condition is false, automatically the total result is false. So now I'll go for truth table for AND operator. What is the truth table means? Just remember representation with true or false. So here A, that means any condition. We don't know what is that condition. That's why we are taking A, B. A is the first condition, B is another condition. These 2 conditions, and between these 2 conditions, I am apply logical AND operator. In C language, for logical AND operator, you used one symbol that is called as double ampersand. 2 times you are using double ampersand. That is the symbol for logical AND operator. So now I will write in truth table for logical operator. So here logical operator AND. So how many conditions I took? I took 2 conditions. One condition is A, second condition is B, and I applied logical AND operator between these 2, A and B. So first condition true, T for true. Second condition is also true. So if the 2 conditions are true, then only the result is true. I already said AND operator is a binary operator. If all the conditions are true, then only the result is true. So here in this example, first condition is true, second condition is true, then automatically the result is true. For example, first condition is true, but second condition is false. First condition is true, second condition is false. So what is the result? According to logical AND operator definition, all conditions must be true. Any one is false, the result is false. Third case, first condition is false. First condition is false and the second condition is true. First condition is false, second condition is true. So in this example also, only one condition is true and one condition is false. So what is the total result? The total result is false. If first condition is false and second condition is also false, then what happens means if the both conditions are false, automatically logical AND operator is working like a false only. So this is called as truth table of logical AND operator. So this is called as truth table of logical AND operator. So what is the logical AND operator means? First logical AND operator's representation symbol is double ampersand. It is a binary operator. It is used between two conditions. All the conditions must be true. If the result of all the conditions are true, then only the result is true. Otherwise, the result is false. So this is called as truth table of logical AND operator. I will give you one example. For example, there are two subjects are there. There are two subjects are there, M1, M2. First subject marks are subject 1, subject 2. If I want to pass or fail result, how we are giving the pass or failed means all the two subjects compulsory pass. If any one subject is pass and one more subject is failed means what happened? The result is totally failed only. That means if you want to pass, you have to compulsory pass in two subjects. This is the subject 1. This is the subject 2. This is the result. When we get the result means you are compulsory pass in both the subjects. For example, first subject you are passed and second subject is also passed. Passed means true. First is passed and second one is pass. So what is your result? Pass or fail? Your result is pass. For example, that means true. First subject you are passed in first subject but you are failed in second subject. That means it is true and that means what is the result? Are you passed or failed? That is means it is failed. First subject you are failed in first subject but you are passed in second subject. You are failed in first subject, you are passed in second subject. Then finally what is the result? Are you passed or failed means it is fail only. If you are failed in first subject and failed in second subject also, and what is your result? Are you passed or failed means totally failed. So this is like this AND operator is working. Here into means false. False, result is false. Here this is false, this is true, automatical result is false. Here true, this is false and the automatical result is false. So like this the AND operator is working. AND operator is a logical operator. It is used between two conditions. So this is the first logical operator AND. Now we will explain R operator in C language. First of all, R is a logical operator. Already we know it is a logical operator and also it is a binary operator. Like AND operator, R is also used between two conditions. Not like number, it is also used between two conditions. That's why it is called as binary operator. First of all, it is a logical operator. Now I explain how the R operator is working. R is also used between two conditions. If any one condition is true, then automatically total result is true. Any one condition is true, the total result is true. Whenever all the conditions are false, then only the result is false. Otherwise, it always true only. So, R operator, how it is working means, one is, first of all, it is a logical operator and it is a binary operator. Binary means it is used between two conditions. How it will be working means, if in between two conditions, any one condition is true, the result is true. when it is false means all the conditions are false, then only the result is false. So that is the working of a OR operator. For OR operator, we are using one symbol that is called as double pipe. This is called as pipe operator. The symbol is called as pipe operator. So 2 times we need. That's why it is called as double pipe. Double pipe is used for representing an OR operator. Now we'll explain what is the truth table of OR operator. So OR is a logical operator. No, already I said it is your binary operator. So we need 2 conditions. So we don't know what is the 2 conditions. So that's why simply I will take A is the first condition, B is another condition. Then I used OR operator between these 2 conditions. So A, B, A or B. So then we write what is that A, B, A or B. Now I'll write the truth table for this. A is the first condition, B is the second condition, A or B is the total result. So how it will be working means, first I will take first condition is true, second condition is also true. So OR operators means whenever it is used between 2 conditions, any one condition is true, the total result is true. Here 2 conditions are true, so without any problem the total result is true. True, true, then A or B is the true. Second case, first condition is true, but second condition is false. Then what happened? It is true or false means according to OR operator, any one condition is true, the total result is true. So without any problem, the total result is true. Second one, third one, first condition is false, but second condition is true. So what happened means any one condition is true, so second result is true, then automatical result is true. Whenever first condition is false and second condition is also false, then only we face the problem that is false. So this is the truth table of OR operator. A is first condition, B is second condition. We are using OR operator between 2 conditions. When the result is true means any one condition is true, total result is true. If all the conditions are false, then only the result is false. Now I will give the explanation with one example. For example, I will give one example. For example, I have a car. If I want to run the car, either how the car is running means either we need petrol or we need diesel. So there are 2 conditions. First one is I have a car. How the car is working, how the car is running means either we need petrol or diesel. Any one is true, then only go for the car is working. So I will check it. First condition petrol, second condition is diesel. Result is car is running or not. Car is running or not. This is the logic. I need logical operator. So here I using petrol or diesel. That means I using car running is petrol, pipe operator, petrol or diesel. Then only car is running. So we'll explain now. I have petrol. True. I have diesel also. Petrol is there and also diesel is there. So what happened? Car is running or not means yes, car is running. Either we are using petrol or diesel, car is automatically running. I have no petrol, but I have diesel. Petrol is not there with me, but I have diesel. So any problem is there for car running? No, because car, if you want to run the car is running with either petrol or diesel. I don't have petrol, but I have diesel. So using the diesel, my car is running. I have petrol, but I don't have diesel. You all face any problem for running a car? No. You are using petrol, automatically your car is running. I don't have petrol and I don't have diesel also. I don't have any one of petrol or diesel. Then only you are facing the problem. The car is not running. So like this, you write the truth table of OR operator. First condition is petrol, second condition is diesel. The total result, car is running or not. So how the car is running or not means petrol or diesel. Here R is a pipe operator. So between these 2 conditions, we are using one logical operator, that is R. Think it and write. Logical operator means thinking. How the car is running. Either we can use petrol or we can use diesel. Then car is running. So like this, here star means failed, false, tick mark means true. So true, true, true. Already said true, true, true. Petrol is there, diesel is there, car is running. Petrol is there, no diesel, then also no problem, car is running. True. No petrol, but diesel is there, yes, car is running. No petrol, no diesel, then automatically car is not running. That time only you are facing the problem. So this is called as OR operator. So what is OR operator means? OR is a logical operator. Logical binary operator. How it will be running means any one condition is true, the result is true. All the conditions are false, then only the result is false. So this is the truth table of OR operator. The third logical operator is NOT. NOT operator. So how the NOT operator is working means NOT operator is working like negation. Like this is a symbol. It is a unary operator. NOT operator is a unary operator. That means it is used between only one condition, not necessarily two conditions. It is used between one condition only. So how it will be working means A. It is A. Then we just write not A. A, not A. If A is true, A is true means not A. What happened not A? A opposite. Not A is false. If A is false, then what is the negative reverse of false? True. So this is a truth table of NOT operator. So what is NOT operator means? NOT operator is a logical operator, but it is a unary operator because it is used with only one condition. If A, not A. Reverse. If A is true, not A means false. If A is false, not A is true. For example, good. I am a good girl. I am a good girl. What is the opposite of good? Not good. Not good means I am not a good girl. Here good is only one variable, only one condition. So here only for one variable you are using apply not. So here A means not A. If A is true, not A is false. A is true, not A is false. If A is false, not A is true. So these three operators are called as logical operators. So logical operators are AND, OR, NOT. AND and OR are binary operators. NOT is a unary operator. We have to write the algorithm truth tables for AND operator, truth table for OR operator. In this video, I will explain only two operators. For remaining operators, I will explain the next video. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like this, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Video, I will explain what is bitwise operators. In this bitwise, already in previous videos, I already posted what is operators and what are the logical and arithmetic operators already explained. Now in this video, I will explain bitwise operators. In any language, C language or Java language, C++ languages, bitwise operator concept is same. And what is the bitwise operator means? Bitwise operator is an operator. It is used for working on individual bits. Bitwise operators are used working on individual bits. So what is a bit means? Bit is either 0 or 1. So in any individual bits, either 0 or 1, if you want to work with any operator, that operators are called as bitwise operators. So what are the bitwise operators are available? What is the meaning of that? I will explain now. So what is the bitwise operator mean? The bitwise operator is first ampersand. Ampersand. This ampersand is called as bitwise AND. Already we know logical AND. Logical AND is double ampersand. Bitwise AND means single ampersand. Then pipe. Single pipe. The single pipe is used for bitwise OR operator. First these are the bitwise AND operator, bitwise OR operator. Bitwise AND operator symbol is single ampersand. Bitwise OR operator is pipe. Then tilde character. This is called as one's complement. This is called as one's complement. One's complement means negation. One's complement operator. Then two less than symbols. This is for left shift operator. and greater than symbols, two greater than symbols, those are called as right shift operators. And then reverse V. This is for bitwise exclusive OR operator. So these are the bitwise operators. So how many bitwise operators are there? And OR, ones complement, left shift, right shift, and exclusive OR. So what are the symbols are used for bitwise AND? Bitwise AND, single ampersand, bitwise OR, pipe operator, for ones complement, negation symbol, tilde character, left shift, two less than symbols, right shift, two greater than symbols, and bitwise exclusive OR operator. So these are the operators are available in any language, bitwise operators. Now I will explain with all these operators with examples. First I will go for bitwise AND operator. Bitwise AND. For bitwise AND operator, we are using the symbol is ampersand symbol, single ampersand symbol. So how it is working? When the bitwise AND operator is working on when it is used between two conditions. Whenever the two conditions all are 1, the two conditions are 1, then only the result is 1. If any one is 0, then the result is 0. So bitwise AND operator means if all the bits, both the bits are 1, then the result is 1. Otherwise, if any one bit is 0, the result is 0. Now I will write the truth table for bitwise AND. For example, first one is A, we think like it. Then second bit is B. Then we are applied AND operator between these two, A, B, A and B. So these are the bits. Bits means either we have 0 or 1 only. So if both the bits are 1, first bit is 1, second bit is 1, A and B like 1. It is like multiplication. It is working like a multiplication. 1 into 1 is 1. If first bit is 1, second bit is 0. So according to formula, any one bit is 0, the result is 0. So 1 into 0, 0. If first bit is 0, second bit is 1, again any one bit is 0, the result is 0. Otherwise simply remember it, 0 into 1 is 0. First bit is 0, second bit is 0, automatically the result is 0. So this is called as truth table for bitwise AND operator. Okay. Now this AND operator is used in binary representation of the operands also. For example, I will explain 4 and 5. 4 is a number, 5 is a number. So how we are working 4 and 5 means now we are converted, find out the binary value of 4. Convert the binary value of 4. So how can you convert binary value of 4 means simple thing, we divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. So 2 remainder is 0. This is the conversion, otherwise we have to easily find out number conversion. Again 2 1s are 2, what is the remainder? 0. And it is not possible to divide it by 2, so simply write 0 here and write 1 here. So write like this, down to up. So 4 is the decimal number, that is the equivalent number is starting from here. 0, 1, 0, 0. So this is the binary equivalent of 4. So convert like this. Now it is called as bits. Binary number system 2. That's why everything is converted into zeros and ones. So what is the value of 4 here now? 4 is 0, 1, 0, 0. Similarly find 5 also. The 5 value is 0, 1, 0, 1. This is the 5. Now we are applying 4 and 5 operator. Bitwise operate 4 and 5. So in these two between I am using AND operator. So already I explained what is AND means. Both the values are 1, then only the result is 1. If any one is 0, the result is 0. So find out from here to here. 0, 1. 0, 1 means 1 is 0, so the result is 0. Both are 1s, then only the result is 1. 0, 0. 0, 0 means both are 0, so 0. 1, 1. Both values are 1, so the result is 1. 0, 0. Both are 0, the result is 0. So the result of 4 and 5 is, what is again coming? 0, 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 0 means nothing but again 4. The result of 4 and 5 is 4. So like this binary AND operator is working. Where the binary AND operator symbol is ampersand. It is used between minimum two numbers, but both the bits are 1, then only the result is 1. If any one bit is 0, the result is 0. So this is the example for AND operator. Now we will explain bitwise OR operator. Bitwise OR operator. So bitwise OR operator, the symbol is single pipe. Bitwise operator is symbol is single pipe. So how it will be working means in both the bits, any bit is 1, then answer is 1. Any bit is 1, the answer is 1. If both the bits are 0, then only that is 0. Otherwise, always 1 only. Any bit, either it is, any one bit is 1, the result is 1. So now we will give the truth table for bitwise OR operator. A, B, A, R, bitwise OR, B. Okay, so like this. So in the first combination, both are 1s. Both bits are 1. Both are 1, so the result is 1. It is like plus operator. If first bit is 0, second bit is 1. So one bit is 1, so the result is 1. Any one is 1, that result is 1. If first bit is 1, second bit is 0, so then what is the answer? 1 only, because one bit is 1 only. If both the bits are 0, then only we said the result is 0. So this is the truth table for bitwise OR operator. Now we'll give the working for with example. Bitwise OR operator. For example, x is equals to 4, y is equals to 9. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 9. Now I need x or y. X or y. So how we calculate x or y means just x is equal to 4. First is converted into binary numbers. How we are converted to binary number means divided by 2 only. So what is the number here means actually 0, 1, 0, 0. So this is the binary number of 4. What is the binary number of 9 means similarly again multiply divided with 2. 9, 2. 2 4s are 8. Remainder is 1. Again divided with 2. 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 0. So 1 is not possible to divide it with 2. So keep 0 here 1. So what is the answer here means left to right we take it, that is 0 1 0 0 1. So either we take 1 0 0 1. So what is 9 means 9 is 1 0 0 1. So this is the x. So here x value is 4. So 4 take the 4 value means 0 1 0 0 y. Y means 9. What is the 9 value? 1 0 0 1. Now I am applying x or y. X or y means any bit is 1, then result is 1 only. So 0 1. 0 1 is 1 bit is 1, so result is 1. 0 0. Both the bits are 0, so without any doubt answer is 0. Again 1 and 0. So 1 bit is 1, the result is 1. 0 1, again 1. So this is the result of x or y. This is equivalent to 13. How we calculate means 1 1. This is the 2 to the power of 0, least significant bit. This is the 2 to the power of 1. This is 2 to the power of 2. This is 2 cube. 2 cube weight value is 8. 2 square means 4. Anyway it is 0 and 2 to the power of 0 is 1. So 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 1 13. So this is the bitwise OR operator. Now we'll go for bitwise exclusive OR. Bitwise exclusive OR. XOR means exclusive OR. The symbol for exclusive OR is this one. This is the exclusive OR operator. Okay. How it will be working means whenever both the bits are equal. Whenever both the bits are equal, otherwise both the bits are zeros or both the bits are 1. Whenever both the bits are same value, that time the result is 0. That time the result is 0. Whenever both the values are different, Both the values are different means either 0 or 1. ABs are either different values, then only the result is 1. But whenever both the bits are same, either both are zeros, both are ones, then only the result is 0. So now I will give the truth table for exclusive OR. A, B, A exclusive OR B. Again same values, either 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So what is the values of exclusive OR? Both the values are same. A is 0, B is 0, both are same. So the result is 0. A value is 0, B value is 1. That means both are not same. So the result is 1. Again A value is 1, B value is 0. Both are not same. So answer is 1. 1 and 1. Again both are same. The result is 0. So this is the truth table for exclusive OR. Exclusive OR is working like this. Again same numbers I will take. X is equal to 4. Y is equals to 9. I am applied exclusive OR on these two numbers. What is the 0 value? 0 value is 0, 1, 0, 0. Already we know. Y value is 9. 9 means 1, 0, 0, 1. Now I am applied exclusive Y OR operator on these two numbers. Calculate it. 0, 1, 1. 1 is 0 and 1 is 1. Both are not same. So answer is 1. Second bit. X is 0, Y is 0. Both are same. So the answer is 0. Then third one. 1 and 0. Both are not same. So what is the answer? 1. Fourth bit. 0 and 1. Both are not same. So the answer is 1. 1, 1, 0, 1. So what is the answer of 1, 1, 0, 1? 1, 1, 0, 1 is again 13. So this is working like a bitwise exclusive OR operator. After that now we will go for what is the next operator? Complement operator. Bitwise complement operator is very simple. Bitwise complement operator symbol is negation symbol. This is also called as ones complement. Ones complement. Very simple thing this one. What is this means? If you are taking any value like x is equals to some 4 number 0, 1, 0, 0. Negation of x. Negation of x means negative. So whenever negation of x means it is just changed to 0 is changed to 1, 1 is changed to 0. So here 0 means 0 is changed to 1. Again 0, 0 is changed to 1. 1 is there, 1 is changed to 0. Again 0, 0 is changed to 1. So this is the x means negation of x is this one. It's very simple thing. What's complement means instead of 0, 0 is changed to 1, 1 is changed to 0. So this is the ones complement. Now I will explain bitwise shift operators. So what is the shift operators means? Shift operators are used for moving the bits, just shifting either left hand side or right hand side, just moving. Shifting means moving. The bits are moving either left hand side or right hand side, that is called as shift operators. So there are two types of shift operators are there, left and right shift operators. If the bits are moving left hand side, that is called as left shift operator. If the bits are moving right hand side, those are called as right shift operators. So bitwise shift operator, bitwise right shift operator. So less than symbol is used for bitwise left shift operator. Greater than symbols are used for bitwise right shift operator. Now I will give the example. I will take the example like x is equals to 10. Binary conversion of 10 is 1010. That is a 4-bit digit. Now I will take it in like 8 digit. So the first 4 bits are filled with zeros. Now I will take it like this. This is the value of x10. Now I want to use bitwise left shift with 2 bits. Two bits I want to shift at left hand side. That's why x less than 2. If you write x less than 3 means 3 positions you have to change in left hand side. So left hand side bits. What are the left hand side bits means? Left hand side bits are 0, 0 is there. So again I will take for result. This is for result bit. I want to store it in this. Again 8-bit positions. So the 8-bit positions are 0 to 7. Totally 8. So left hand side bits are moved in how many places? 2 places. 2 places are changed to So first two change it to two places left hand side, means these are two are going totally out. First two bits are moved two places left hand side, means those two are total out of the range. The third bit position 0 is shifted to two places, means that is coming into 0th place. Fourth bit is coming into one place like this. So this place is coming to 0 here, and this one is changed to this place. Two places are shifted left hand side. This is shifted in this place, and last 0th bit is shifted to 5th place. So two first places bits are changing, totally moving out of the range. So that's why two bits are here empty. So the empty positions are filled with zeros. So the left bit, these two, all the bits are shifted to left hand side two positions. So last two bits are empty. The last two bits positions are filled with zeros. So this is the example for left shift operator. Now we'll go for right shift operator. Same number I will take it. X value is 10. The binary value of 10 is 1010. But I will take it like 8 bit position. So first 4 are filled with zeros, next one 1010. The positions are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0 to 7, totally 8 bits. X greater than 2. That means I want to shift two places right hand side. If we give x greater than 3 means we have to change 3 places. So right hand side bits. This is the for resulting. I will keep the place again. Right hand side bits are shifted to two places right hand side. So right hand side places means 6 and 7. So 7th bit is moving two places right hand, means it is totally out of the values, out of the range. And 6th position bit is also going outside, because two places means that is also outside. Now 5th place, which bit is there? 0 is there, that is shifted to two places, means it is coming into 7th place. So 5th place bit 0 is coming to 7th place. 4th one is moved to two places right hand side, means it is coming and store it in 6th place, that is 1 here. Third bit, third place, it is shifted to 5, 5th place. And second one is shifted to 4th place. First one is shifted to 3rd, like this. So if all are moved two bits right side, means last of two bits 0th and 1 place are empty. Those are filled with again zeros. Again those are filled with zeros. So this is the example for left shift or right shift operator. Right shift bitwise operators. So these all are the bitwise operators: bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise exclusive OR, ones complement, and bitwise shift operators. In this video, I will explain precedence and associativity of operators. Precedence and associativity of operators I will explain in this video. So before going to precedence and associativity, first we will go for expression evaluation. Already I have explained in this concept in previous videos, but once again I will explain in this. What is an expression and how to evaluate this expression. So what is an expression means, each expression is nothing but an equation like this, a plus b. A plus b is an expression. So what is the expression means, it is a combination of operators and operands. Combination of operators and operands is called as an expression. In this example, a, b are called as operands. Plus is called as an operator. Okay, so 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is an expression. So how we are evaluating this expression means just adding these two numbers, that is called as 5. For example, we are giving like this, 2 plus 3 into 5. So this is an expression. Expression means the combination of operators and operands. In this example, 2, 3, 5. Those are the operands. Those are the operands plus into. Those are called as operators. So this is an expression. So how we are evaluating this expression? What is the result of this expression? For example, we are evaluating like this. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 into 5, 25. This is the one answer. Or one more 2 plus 3 into 5. Into 5 means first we multiply 3 into 5, 15. 2 plus is equals to 7. So in these two answers, which one is the correct answer? That is, you are finding through precedence and associativity. So in these two, which one is the correct answer? Means this is the correct answer. 2 plus 5 is 2 plus 15 is equal to 17. This is the correct answer. Why this is false? Why this is wrong? Means because if you want to evaluate any expression, we have to follow the order of the operators. What is the order of the operator? Priority of the operators. In this example, which one is our example? 2 plus 3 into 5. This is our example. In this example, 2 plus 3 into 5, there are two operators are there, plus and into. These two are called as arithmetic operators. These two are called as arithmetic operators. Already in the previous video I already said how many arithmetic operators are there. Means plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulo. Totally 5 arithmetic operators are there. In these 5 arithmetic operators, first two, plus and minus are in low priority. Order is low priority order. Multiplication, division, mod, those are called as high priority operators. So out of 5 operators, 2 are low priority values and 3 are high priority operators. So in this example, 2 plus 3 into 5. So what are the operators are there? Means plus and into. Both are different levels of operators. So according to arithmetic operators, we have 5 operators are there, plus, minus, low priority, remaining are high priority. So in this example, 2 plus 3 into 5. So what are the operators? Plus and into. So into is high priority, plus is in low priority. So plus is low priority operator, into is high priority operator. So according to that rule, which one is executed first? Means high priority operator. So first to multiply 3 into 5, 15. Then 2 plus 3, evaluating 2 plus 15, that is 17. So this is explained by precedence. So that's why first 2 plus 3 into 5, 17 is correct answer, not 25. 25 is the wrong answer. So that is explained by the precedence. So if any expression contains different levels of operators with levels of priority, so which one is executed first? That is explained by the precedence. Which level of operator? Because operators with different levels of operators, which one is executed first? Means high level priority operators are executed first. So in this example, into is high priority is executed first, then low priority, that is plus. That's why answer is 17. So that is explained by the precedence. Plus and into, plus is low priority, into is high priority. So high priority operators are executed first. That is the concept of precedence. 3 into 5 executed first, 15, because it contains high priority. After that, low priority operator, plus 2 plus 15, that is 17. Now we'll give one more example. I will take one more example for associativity only. A equal to 2 plus 3 into 4 minus 4 by 2 plus 6. So this is the expression, complex expression, because it contains more number of operators. So first to find out what are the operators are there in this expression. Plus is there, into, minus, division, plus again. So that means all are arithmetic operators. Some are high priority operators, some are low priority operators. Into and slash, high priority operators. Plus and minus, low priority operators. So whenever we have this type of complex expression, start evaluation, left to right only. So whenever you see like this, first 2 plus 3 plus is a low priority. So go again if any high priority operators are there. If you move like this, we have getting one operator into. So 3 into 4 compared to plus and multiplication. Multiplication the high priority, so executed first. So 3 into 4, 12. Again minus, again we write 4 by 2. Minus and 4 by 2, minus 4, division is the high priority, so do it. 4 by 2 is 2. So this is the expression, 2 plus 12 minus 2 plus 6. Again if you check it, what are the operators are there? Plus, minus. So again go to left to right. So first operator is plus, 2 plus 12, 14, minus 2 plus 6. As it is, I write like this. So this is the expression, 14 minus 2 plus 6. Again, which one is executed first? Either minus or plus means, again we go into left to right. So which operator is coming first means minus. So 14 minus 2, 12 plus 6. That is the next expression. Now we do it simply. 12 plus 6 is 18. So after evaluating this expression, we get the answer is 18. Because it has so many levels of operators, so many operators are there with different levels of priority. But which operator is evaluated first? That is explained by the concept of priority, precedence. So that is the answer for concept of precedence. With two examples I will explain. Now we go for one more concept, that is called as associativity. Now we'll explain what is an associativity. What is associativity means, whenever the expression contains, any expression contains, in evaluating of expression, if the expression contains same high level of operator, different levels of operators, which one is executed first? That is concept of precedence. But whenever here in this example 2 plus 3 into 5 different levels of operators, so that is explained by the precedence concept. Associativity means if the expression contains same level of operators. So in this example 2 plus 12 minus 2, plus and minus both are same level of priority. So which one is executed first? That is explained by the concept of associativity. So plus, minus, into, slash, mod. In 5 operators, plus and minus, low priority. Remaining all are high priority. But in this example, both are belongs to low priority operators only. So which one is executed first? That is explained by the concept of associativity. Different levels of operators means precedence, same level of order, that is called as associativity. So in this example, 2 plus 12 minus 2, the expression contains same level of order of priority operators, plus and minus both are belongs to same level of priorities. So which one is executed first? If we go into left to right, 2 plus 12, plus is coming first, so executed first 12 only. 2 plus 12, 14. That is left to right. We have to travel left to right. If you are traveling left to right, which operator is coming first? We have to execute that one only. So 2 plus 12 coming first, that is 14. 14 minus 2, 12. So for this expression, the answer is 12. There are two types of associativities are there. Those are called as left to right associativity, and second one is right to left associativity. So what is associativity? What are the types of associativity? Means these are the two types of associativities, left to right, right to left. What is associativity? Means in evaluating any expression, if the operations, if the expression contains same level of, same priority levels of operators, which operator is executed first? That is explained by the associativity. How many types of associativities you have? Means two types of associativity, left to right, right to left. This is example for left to right, because you are traveling from left to right. Whenever you're traveling from left to right, which operator is evaluated coming first? That is, we are evaluated first. So this is the example for left to right associativity. If the same expression, I will take the same numbers and same operators, but only order is changed. 2 minus 12 plus 2. So how we are evaluating this expression is same thing. Minus plus both are same, belongs to same level of priority. That's what is called as associativity. But whenever you are executing 2 minus 12, minus is coming first. 2 minus 12, that is minus 10 plus 2. So what is the answer is minus 8. First answer, first evaluating expression, we got the answer is 12. Now we're getting minus 8. Same numbers, same operators. Only thing is order is changed. If your order is changed, automatically answer is also changed. Now we'll explain the left to right associated with some complex numbers. Complex expression. The expression is 3 into 8 by 4 mod 4 into 5. In this expression, what are the operators are available means into, division and mod. All are belongs to high priority operators. That means all are belongs to same precedence, same level. All are high priority, all are same level. So which one is executed first? That is explained by the concept of associativity. In the associativity also have two types, left to right, right to left. First I will go for left to right. So whenever I travel from left to right, which operator is coming first? Into. So multiply first that one only. 3 into 8, 24. 24. Remaining as it is, I write 24 by 4, mod 4 into 5. Again start. In this also division is there, mod is there, into is there. Again all are belongs to same level. Associativity, left to right, 24 by 4. So 20 by 4, that is 6. 6 fours are 24. So the answer is 6. 6 mod 4 into 5. So again this expression contains mod and into, both are belongs to same level of priority, high priority only. So again associativity, so again left to right. 6 mod 4, mod is always gives the remainder values. So 4 ones are 4, the remainder is 2. So 6 mod 4 answer is 2, 2 into 5. So this is the final step. 2 into 5 is a 10. So this is the answer for this expression. So this is the expression, evaluating the expression. After evaluating this expression, the answer is 10. So this is explained by the concept of associativity. Left to right associativity. So what is associativity means? Any expression contains same level of order of operators. Which operator is evaluated first? That is explained by the associativity. Left to right is finished. Now we'll go for one more example for right to left. Right to left associativity. This is the expression I will take. A plus equal to B into equal to C minus equal to 5. Evaluating this expression, if you are taking some values, A value, B value and C value. Initially you take A, B, C values. After evaluating this expression, what is the values of A, B, C? So whenever we are getting the expression like this, we have to go to right to left. This is called a short assignment operator also. So for that I will take some values like A value 3, B value is 5, C value is 8. So right to left, C minus equal to 5 is simply known as C equal to C minus 5, shortcut assignment operator. So substitute the value of C. 8 minus 5, that is 3. So C minus equal to 5, what is the value of that one? 3. Substitute that value. A plus equal to B into equal to, what is the total value of that one? 3. So write like this. So again substitute. B into equal to 3. Again right to left. So B into equal to 3 means B equal to B into 3. That is the meaning of shortcut assignment operator. So what is the value of B now? Here 5. So substitute 5 in this equation. B equal to 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. So what is the value of b now? 15. So substitute this value in this entire expression. So a plus equal to 15. So this is also shortcut assignment operator. So you have to write in full form. A equal to a plus 15. So what is a value? In the beginning I'll take a value is 3. So substitute 3 value in this. So a equal to 3 plus 15, that is 18. So initially I will take a, b, c value some values, but after evaluating this expression, a value is 18, b value is 15, c value is 3. So like this we can calculate. This type of calculation is also called as associativity, but right to left associativity. So this is the example for right to left associativity. Error. Error means nothing but a wrong, just mistake. Errors are wrongs or errors are mistakes that can make a program to going wrong. So because of the mistake, it leads to an error. Because of that error, it is caused by the program, causing the program to produce unexpected result. We are expecting something, we are expecting some result. For getting that result, we are writing some program. So but because of doing some mistakes, because of that error, the program is giving some wrong unexpected answers, unexpected result because of that error. So that is an error. Error is nothing but a mistake. There are two types of errors are there. First one is the compile time error and the second one is runtime error. Compile time error and runtime error. First I will explain what is a compile time error. Compile time errors, we are finding these errors at the time of compilation only. In the name only it is there, compile time. These errors are finding at the time of compilation time only, at the time of compilation. These compile time errors are nothing but syntax errors. These are also called as syntax errors. These are simple and easy to find also. That's why at the compile time only you are getting all the types of errors. Those are called as syntax errors. You are finding almost all syntax errors. For example, I will see. It declared one variable like int a equal to 10. Actually in Java language or C language, each and every line is end with a semicolon. But here I am not keep semicolon here. That's why it is called a syntax error. Why it is giving syntax error means according to that syntax, each and every line is end with a semicolon. Here semicolon is missing. So syntax error is nothing but a compile time error because semicolon is missing. So missing semicolon is one example of compile time error. And second example, int b equal to 10.2. Here b is a variable, semicolon is there. So if in this line it is also giving some mistake, some error, because it is also compile time error. Semicolon is there, variable declaration is also there. I assign some values, but only thing is b is here integer data type. Integer data type takes only integer value, but here mentioned floating value. Some compilers it takes 10 only, but some compiler it giving a type mismatch error, because that is a floating point. Here it is an integer. One more example, int c equal to 200 semicolon. Semicolon is there, value is there, but it is also showing some error. Which type of error means compile time error, because after int and c, data type and variable, there is no space. So that is also finding at the time of compilation. So these all are called as compile time errors. Not only these, some missing or mismatching brackets are there. Those are also compile time errors. Misspelling keywords. This is also one more example. Character s name equal to AA. Group of characters. This is a declaration time. This is also showing some error, because all characters strings is compulsory keep it in the double quotation. If you are not keep double quotation, it's showing an error. So these all types of errors are called as compile time errors. Now we'll go for runtime error. What is a runtime error? Runtime errors are at the time of compilation, these not possible to find out, but at the time of execution, these errors are found at the time of execution time only, at the time of execution. Whenever Java file is successfully created or successfully compiled, dot class file is created, but sometimes those are not running. Why means because of some errors. Those errors are called as logical errors or runtime errors. For finding these errors, for handling these, we require exception handling concepts. That's why before exception handling, find out what is the error. So these are syntactically correct but logically wrong. Here C is equal to A by B. Semicolon is there, syntactically it is correct. But it is working for some values also, but for some values it is not working. See here, C is equal to A by B. If I'll give the value like A value 10, B value 2, that means what is the value of C here? C value is 10 by 2, that is 5. Without any problem, we are getting the answer. So program is correct in this case, in these values. If I'll giving A value 10, B value is 0, what is the value of C? C equal to 10 by 0. It is going to infinity. But in the computer, not possible to find infinity. So it is going to leads to an error, mistake. So which type of mistake this is? This is not compile time error because syntactically it is correct. This type of error is called as, it is called as an exception also, because it is working for some values, it is not working for some values. So dividing by 0 is one type of runtime. Check it once. Now we will explain what are the conditional statements programs. So in the conditional statements, I will explain first one is if-else statement. So if-else statement with example program. So first I will explain syntax of if-else statement also. If-else statement syntax is if condition must be, keep it in the brackets, because if statement is used for checking the condition. If the condition is true, write all the true block statements. If the condition is false, write all the false block statements. So condition either true or false. If it is true, before else the statements are executed. If the condition is false, after else the statements are executed. So depending upon the conditions, either it execute true block statements or false block statements. So this is the example for if-else statement syntax. If it is true, before else statements are executed. If it is false, after else whatever the statements are there, those are executed. If the statements are more than one, keep the flower brackets, otherwise not necessary. Now we'll explain with one example program, that is biggest of two numbers. Biggest of two numbers. So first read the problem carefully. Biggest of two numbers means we need two numbers. Those are A and B. A comma B are two numbers. So now I start the writing program. C language programmers have to write hash include stdio.h. Preprocessor directives. Stdio means standard input output.h. Next hash include conio.h. Console input output.h. Then void main function. Then now we start with the programming now here. First I have to declare the variables also. First I'll keep heading printf enter any two numbers, because we need two numbers only. This is for just heading for programmer purpose, user purpose only, for understanding for user. Enter any number. \n means it is entering into the next line. Each and every line is ended with a semicolon after flower brackets. Now we go for scanf, but here we have to declare the two variables a comma b. Both are integer data types. Scanf is an input command. Two values we require. The two values are integer data type. That's why we are using %d symbols. %d for integer numbers, ampersand a, ampersand b. So input section is over. Now in these two numbers, which number is bigger, you have to check it. If we want to check anything in C language, we need if statement. So if condition is A greater than B. Either this condition is true or false. If the condition is true, that means A is greater than B. Then what you have to write? The two block statement is printf A is big. Percentage D is big. Backslash and comma A, because A is big. Else, if the condition is false, that means A is not big. Then what is that answer? Printf percentage D is big. Which one is other than else? Which one is there? B is there. So program is over. Get CH. Close the program. So this is the program. Now I will explain with some values how this program works. So R22.h, conio.h main, then we have to read two numbers, A comma B. Here A comma B are two variables with integer data type. I will take some numbers. Enter any two numbers is the heading only. Enter any two numbers, you keep it in the printf means it is for user purpose only. Now we'll take two numbers, A value is 10 and B value is 15. Now check the condition. What is the condition? A greater than B. That means 10 greater than 5. Condition is true. If the condition is true, before else the statements are working. So what is the statements before the else? That is percentage D is big. A, that means A, what is A? 10 is big. So that is the answer. 10 is big printed on the screen. Then program is closed. Otherwise, if I take A value 10, B value 15. So again check the condition. 10 greater than 15. What happens? Condition is false. So if the condition is false, after else the statement is working. So that is the after else printf percentage D is big. Which one is big? B is big. So 15 is big. The answer is 15 is big. So in these two statements, which one is big, you have to check it. So that is the example for if else statements. Either it execute true block or it execute false block statements. Now I will give some examples. Finding given number is even or odd. Given number is even or odd. Try it this program at home and tell me how you are writing this one in the comment box section. Now we'll go for one more example for nested if statement. Nested if statement. So what is the nested if statement? Nested if statement means one if statement contains any number of if statements. One if contains number of if statements, that is called as nested if statement. First I will explain with syntax, then I will go for example. If condition. The condition either it is true or false. If the condition is true, what happened? True block statements are executed. If the condition is false, it goes to after else. Here in this else we check one more condition, that is again one more if condition. Again same thing, this condition may be true or this condition is false. If the condition is true, again true block statements. Otherwise, again we check another conditions or again false block statements. So like this, if you are checking number of statement, that is called as else if nested if statements. So this is the syntax of nested if statements. Check number of conditions. If condition, maybe it is true or false. If it is true, execute true block statements. Else, check one more condition. If the condition is true, execute true block statements or go to false block statement. False block statements, we have to go for one more if statement. Like this, we can check any number of if statements. Now we'll go for with example. Now we'll explain biggest of three numbers program. So biggest of three numbers means what are the inputs? Inputs we need three numbers A, B, C. So in these three numbers, which one is the biggest? I want to find out. So how can you write the program? Means every program is start with hash include stdio.h. Then second line is hash include conio.h. Then void main. Then flower brackets. Now after that we starting your actual program. So what is your how many variables we require? Biggest of 3 numbers means we need 3 variables. So all are taken like integer only. Integer a comma b comma c. Each and every line is ended with a semicolon C language after the flower brackets. Now after that I will go for clear screen command. Clear screen command is CLR SCR command. Just I put the heading for user understanding purpose. Printf. Enter any 3 numbers because the program is biggest of 3 numbers. So enter any 3 numbers. \n is for next line. So then scanf. All 3 are integer numbers. So we need one format specification, that is %d. So how many numbers are there? 3 numbers, 3 %d symbols. %A, %b, %c. So input section is over. Now we go for checking the condition. For checking the condition we need if statement. If 2 conditions, A greater than B and is a logical operator, A greater than C. 2 conditions, A greater than B and A greater than C. If both the conditions are true, then we keep printf. Which one is big? A is big. So %d is big, comma A. Else, if A is not big, then we check one more condition. That's why it is called as nested if statement. Now we'll go for second statement. If B greater than A is not big, then check it with B. B greater than C. B greater than A and B greater than C. That means if B is big, then we just keep the heading is printf. %d is big. That means which one it is? It is a B. Else, A is not big, B is not big means directly go for else part. Otherwise just write again one more condition. If C greater than A and C greater than B. Then we write printf. %d is big. That is C. Program is over. Then we just write get ch. Program is closed. Now I will explain with this. This is the program for C language. Biggest of 3 numbers. Now we will take some example numbers with that numbers I will explain. A, B, C. Enter any 3 values A, B, C. For example, we will take the numbers like 10, 17, then 6. Any 3 numbers 10, 17, 6. Now we will go for evaluation. So how we are checking the evaluation means first we go for first line. A greater than B. 10 greater than, this is A, this is B, this is C. 10 greater than B. What is the B? 17. Condition is true. And second one is 10 greater than, condition is false. In the first part condition is false, 10 greater than 6, here true. So one condition is true and one condition is false. But and means all conditions must be true. That means this is not true. So coming to then go for else part. In the else part which one is there? This one is there. B greater than A. So what is B value? 17. 17 greater than A value is 10. True. And 17 greater than 6 C. C value is 6. This is also true. Both the conditions true, then the result is true. So according to these numbers, what is the answer is? B is big. That means 17 is big. So like this the program is working. Otherwise go for some more numbers. 10, 17, 26. Here A is 10, B is 17, C is 26. Check it again. A greater than B. A greater than B means 10 greater than 17. Wrong. 10 greater than 26. Both the conditions are wrong. So it is not execute. This statement is go to after else. In the after else which one is there? B greater than A. What is B value? 17. 17 greater than what is A? 10. Condition is true. First condition is true. 17 greater than C value 26. Second condition is false. But these two conditions are combined with AND operator. Whenever any operator is combined with AND operator, all conditions must be true. Here one is true, one is false, so it is also not working. Then it go to after else part. After else, what is there? C greater than A. What is our C value? 26. 26 greater than A. Yes, condition is true. C greater than B. 26 greater than 17. This is also true. Both the conditions are true. Then the result is true. That's why the answer is C is big. Okay. So like this, the program is working. This is the program for biggest of 3 numbers. So these are the examples of conditional statements. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and like this video. Thank you. Then loop statements. So what is a loop? Loop means it is a set of statements are executed repeatedly, continuously, repeatedly execute some set of statements until the given condition is satisfied. So that is called as loop. For example, if we want to execute same set of statements some 10 times, same set of statements are executed repeatedly, continuously 10 times. So how to execute? That means in that stage we require loop statements. Any statements are executed repeatedly or continuously. So how many times it is executed means then for that we have to give some condition. Until that condition is true, the same set of statements are repeated continuously. Then after the condition is met, then exit from the loop. So that is the definition of a loop. So set of statements are repeated continuously until the given condition is true. So first we check the condition. Either the condition may be true or false. If it is true, entering into the loop statement and repeated the set of statements, execute the set of statement. If the condition is false, then exit from the loop. That means not necessary going into the loop, exit from the loop. So depends upon the condition, how many times you want to repeatedly execute. So it is like a cycle form. See like this. Set of statements are repeatedly, continuously executed until the given condition is true. 10 times you want to repeat it means it is repeated up to 10 times. Whenever it is going to 11th time, it exits from the loop. So that is the definition of a loop statement. There are 2 types of loop statements. Are there categories of loops? What are those categories means? First one is entry control loop. Second one is exit control loop. Entry control loop statement, exit control loop statement. Now I will explain these 2 categories. First one is entry control loop statement. So first of all, it is entry loop statement. But what type of loop statement means? It is an entry control. In the name only it is there. It is controlling at the time of entry only. That means at the time of entry only, entering the time, it will check the condition. First, if the condition is true, then only it is entering into the loop. Otherwise, it exits from the loop. It is not at all entering into body of the loop. For example, if you are going to, if you want to travel in a RTC bus. So first you have to take the ticket. That means first you have to check you have money or not. If the money is not there, immediately exit from the bus. It is not possible to entering into the bus. So in the entry control loop only, it will first check the condition. If the condition is true, then only it is entering into the body of the loop. So this is the entry control loop. Now I will explain through flowchart. First it is the entry point. In the entry point only have to check the condition. Condition is a rhombus box. This is the entry point. In the time of entry only have to check the condition. Test the condition. This is the testing the condition, not body of the loop. Test the condition. Depends upon the condition. The condition may be true or false. If it is true or false, may be either true or false. If it is true, then entering into the body of the loop. It is entering into the body of the loop. Then go to next statement, increment. If it is false, If it is false means it's not at all entering into the loop. It is directly goes to after the loop statement. Next statements after the loop. But if it is true means after incrementing again it check the condition, because until the given condition is false, it will be repeated in the body of the loop only. So first in the entry time it check the condition if it is true or false. If it is true, entering into the body of the loop, then continuously it is incremented, again continuously checking, and if that is false then only it exit from the body of the loop. So this is called as entry control loop. Entry control loop means at the time of entry only it will check the condition. If the condition is true, then only it is entering into the loop statement. So there are two types, examples are two are there. That is, one is the for loop statement, second one is the while loop statement. So for loop and while loop both are the examples of entry control loop statements. At the time of entry only it will check the condition. So for and while are examples for entry control. Now I'll go for exit control loop statement. In the name only it is there, it will check the condition at the time of exit, at the end of the statement only, not in the beginning. Like if you go the bus example, first we have to check the money. If the money is there, then it is possible to travel in the bus. That means in the entry time only you have to check the money. But if you go by auto, if you have no money also, no problem. After reaching the destination, take the money from your home and then give it there. That is the example for exit control. So in the bus you have to pay the money before. In the auto means you have to pay the money after we reach the destination also. So exit control loop means first it execute the body of the loop, then only check the condition. That means the condition is checked only at the time of ending, not in the beginning stage. Exit time only have to check the condition. So the minimum number of times of execution in exit control is 1, because it is not check the condition first. If the condition is false also, at least it will execute once. After once it is executed, then only check the condition. So minimum number of times for exit control is 1. So this is the flowchart representation. First entry time. In the entry time only you have to execute body of the loop. Once the body of the loop is executed, then here at the time of exit we have to check the condition, test the condition. If the condition is true, again it is entering into the body of the loop. Like this, entering into the again body of the loop. Like this it is repeatedly, continuously repeated until the given condition is true. If the given condition is false, then only it exit from the loop. So the given condition is true, it repeatedly executing the statements. If the condition is wrong, then exit from the loop. So this is the example, this is the procedure for entry control, exit control loop. Example is do while. Do while is the example for exit control loop. In the name only there, first to do it. After that we have to check. So the minimum number of times for entry control loop is 0. Because at the entering time only you have to check the condition. If the condition is wrong, that false, then it is not necessary to execute at least once also. There only it exit from the loop. So entry control loop, the minimum number of times of execution is 0. In the exit control loop, the minimum number of times of execution is 1. Because if the condition is false also, it executed once. First it executed, then only check the condition. So this is the exit control loop. In the exit control loop, condition is checked at the last. That's why first body of the loop will be executed. But in the entry control, not like this. In the entry control, first it will check the condition. Condition is true, then only it is entering into the body of the loop. So this is the concept of entry control loop and exit control loop. I will explain for loop syntax and some example programs. So what is a for loop? For loop is an entry control loop. It is an example for entry control loop statement. So what is an entry control loop statement? Already I kept one video for entry control loop statement. In this entry control loop statement, first it check the condition. If the condition is true, then only it entering into the body of the loop. It executes the body of the loop. If it is false, it exits from the loop. It is not at all entering into the loop. First it check the condition at the entry time. Either it is true or false. If it is true, entering into the body of the loop. Otherwise, it exits from the loop statements. So this is the diagrammatic representation of entry control loop. First at the entry time, it will check the condition. Condition symbol is rhombus. You have to check the condition. The condition may be true or false. If it is true, then it is entering into the body of the loop. It executing the body of the loop until the condition is true. If the condition is false, it exits from the loop and it going to next statements of the loop statements. So this is the flowchart representation for entry control loop. For loop is the example for entry control loop. So now we'll explain syntax of for loop. The entire for loop is like 3 parts. First for is a reserved word, then parenthesis, first initialization, semicolon, next condition, semicolon, then increment or decrement. Totally 3 parts. First initialization, condition, increment. These 3 are separated with semicolons. So this is the syntax of for loop. Then depending upon the condition, this is the body of the loop. Executing the body of the loop. So this is the syntax of for loop. For loop is not at all end with a semicolon because the body of the loop is also belongs to for loop. That's why don't keep semicolon. So now we'll explain some example program. Example program for simple example program. Print first 10 natural numbers using for loop. First 10 natural numbers means starting from 1 and ending up 10. So initial number is 1, final condition is 10. So I am writing this program in C language. So in the C language means hash include stdio.h, you have to write I value is 1 to 10, starting number 1, ending number 10. Hash include stdio.h, standard input output.h header file. Then hash include conio.h, console input output.h. Then void main. Here we take only one integer we require, that is int I value. It is an integer data type. Now we'll go for loop for I value. I value initial value is 1. So I equal to 1 semicolon I less than or equal to 10 because we need first 10 natural numbers. Increment I plus plus because after 1, 2, 2, after 3, 3, then 4 like this. So printf percentage d backslash n for integer number, printing integer number we need percentage d I, then get ch. So this is a simple example program for loop printing first 10 natural numbers. So first I value is 1, that is known as initialization because for loop contains 3 parts. One is initialization, condition, increment. So I equal to 1 coming under initialization. I less than or equal to 10 is known as condition. I plus plus is the increment. So 3 parts. So first I value is 1. Check the condition. 1 less than or equal to 10. Yes, true. Then coming into loop. 1 is printed. Then I plus plus. I plus plus means incrementing I value by 1. I value is initially 1. Now it is 2. 2 less than or equal to 10. Condition is 2. Then entering into the loop and print the 2. Then again I plus plus. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. 3 is also less than or equal to 10. So 3 is also printed. Like this 10 less than or equal to 10 up to 10 values is printed. So this is the simple example program for first 10 natural numbers. Now we'll go for one more simple example. Print first even numbers from 2 to 20. Print all even numbers from 2 to 20. So initial even number is 2, final is 20. So I value is between 2 to 20, incrementing. How much incrementing means 2 values we need. So initialization is 2, condition is 20, incrementing value is 2. So this is the program. Now start writing the program. Again, it is in C language. So hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, then void main. First include all header files stdio.h, conio.h, then void main. Here also we need only one integer into I. Then for loop for initial value. What is initial value? I value is 2, starting number 2. And next condition, I less than or equal to 20. Semicolon, I plus equal to 2, because we need incrementing 2 to 2, 4, 6, 8 like this. So I plus equal to 2. Then print of I. Print of %d backslash and I. So program is finished. Close the program. Get ch. Close it. So I value is initially 2, 2 less than or equal to 20. Yes, condition is correct. Then print the value 2. Then I plus equal to 2 means I value is already 2. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. It is also with the condition. So it printed. So it like this, it printed. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel.